Here's how to turn off TalkBack. All you have to need, use your 3 fingers to slide up to go to your app library. In app screen, find out the settings app. You can use your 3 fingers to slide. Now tap on settings, then double tap on settings to open the settings app. In here, the same way, use your 3 fingers to scroll down, just like this. Scroll down and find out the accessibility settings. Select accessibility, then double tap on accessibility. Select TalkBack, double tap on TalkBack. Select this button, double tap this switch to turn off. Turn off, turn off. And that's it. As you can see, the TalkBack is now successfully turned off.